Welcome. In this session, I like to introduce you to the art, the practice of meditation. Meditation can be found at the core of all great religious traditions. It can be practiced by anyone, all faiths and no faith, wherever you are on life's journey. And the practice is to lead from the mind to the heart. It's to sit in a way of silence, stillness and simplicity. The silence to let go of thoughts. The stillness to let go of desire. And simplicity, let go of self-analysis. Now, it's a discipline rather than a technique. It's a practice which may take some time to develop. Practice some love and kindness and be patient with yourself. If you struggle, just start again. You might be able to hook up with a group, be it online at the moment or a physical one in the future, that will really help you to develop your discipline. So the positive benefits of meditation: increasing awareness, clarity, improving your focus, offer greater compassion and a better sense of calm. It can ease depression, anxiety, panic and pain-related stress, and improve mental resilience and concentration. It can help to lower the blood pressure, improve your sleep pattern, and manage chronic pain. So what is the practice of meditation? It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to follow a set ritual. All you need is some time, some stillness, and some patience. It's good to precede a practice with a little bit of movement, maybe a relaxation and some breath work, and to develop the practice as something that is part of your day, something that you will do each day, perhaps at the same time of each day. You don't have to sit for hours like the monks in Bhutan. Start just with a few moments, a few minutes, a few breaths. Now the mind is often active. The mind's job is to think thoughts. So I think all our minds are doing a really good job. And in order to ask and request lovingly the mind to not do that, often takes some concentration, and usually on the breath. So it's good to choose an anchor for your practice. And because the breath is constant and always there with you, it's a great anchor to use. So in your head you could be saying, I breathe in, I breathe out. Or the words inhale, exhale. You might choose another word, a mantra. It could be peace. It could be calm. There are traditional practices which use the phrase so, hum, or Om. You choose whatever's comfortable for you. Some people find that counting is a good way to start. So let's try a couple of minutes in meditation. So you want to choose a quiet place to sit where you'll be warm, undisturbed. You might want to sit on a chair, on a cushion, on a stool, or on the floor. There is no requirement to have to sit cross-legged or in the lotus position. There is a requirement that the spine be aligned and upright to allow energy to flow, to stay alert, to stay conscious, and therefore also allow the chest to be open so that the chest doesn't slump or sink, which could start tiredness. You decide how long you like to do your meditation. I would recommend to start just with a couple of minutes at first, and maybe use a gong or a timer, a bell for the start and for the end. So gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. There's no need to change the breath or talk to the breath. Just be aware of the breath in and the breath out. As you bring this awareness to the breath, the mind and the body will automatically start to settle. You can take a trip round the body, make sure you're not holding any tension or tightness in any muscles, especially within the jaw or the neck or the shoulders. This is why it's good to proceed with some movement. And whilst you're concentrating on the breath, bring to mind the word, the mantra, the count that you'd like to use. Today I'm going to use the word inhale and the word exhale. So when you say your word or your count, don't move the lips, don't make a sound. This is all going on inside. And be assured that the mind will wander. The mind will start to think thoughts. Just guide your attention gently back to your word, your count, your mantra, and start again. Try not to pay attention to noises, an alert going off, an alarm, an itch on the nose or the foot, a tickle at the back of the throat, a twitch of your leg, the clothes ruffling on the body. All these things can wait. Just return to the practice again and again. So just for the next couple of minutes, sitting in silence and stillness, with the word to use as an anchor. Inhale as you breathe in, exhale as you breathe out. Inhale, breathe in, exhale, breathe out. I'm going to leave you in your meditation with your awareness on the words. the mind wanders, gently bring it back to the word. Inhale, exhale. Just focusing your attention on the breath. It doesn't matter how many times it wanders, just come back to the practice. And now as the practice comes to a close, just take your attention away from the mantra, the word. Take a nice deep breath, starting with the belly. Breathe in right up to the chest and breathe out and sigh it away. 2 more of those. Start to make small movements with the fingers and the toes. And take a nice stretch up. And gently blink the eyes a few times to open up the eyes. A lovely thing to do after your meditation is just to touch down with the earth. That could be with your hands and or your forehead. Just to bring some grounding back in to the body. So well done. Excellent. That could be your first taste of meditation. Or you may be a regular practicer of the art, of the discipline. And of course, discipline comes from disciple, teacher, learner. We are all learning, constantly learning. We never have to be a professional or the best. Every meditation will be different. Just do try to be patient with yourself, offer yourself loving kindness, but set aside each day. It could be in the morning to start your day, it could be at night to encourage good sleep. Just some few moments of meditation and then build up the practice. Maybe add on an extra minute. Add on an extra few breaths. And slowly the gaps between the wandering off to thoughts will become less frequent. But believe me, meditation is and can be a challenge, but the rewards are huge. So simply relax and enjoy your practice and let it unfold in its own time.